Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Stellar first broke out this falling wedge pattern and we had a nice pump, and after that the price then formed another rising wedge pattern. That was a bearish bias move there for the price and broke down the support, and the target for this breakdown was here at the bottom of the wedge, approximately at 40 cents, and you can see that the price then dropped more than that and formed a double bottom here and moved up, and now it has recently found another up trend line resistance here. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, and I was telling you in my last video that if we will have another bounce from this up trend line support, then this support will be confirmed and this formation of the rising wedge pattern, another rising wedge pattern, will be also confirmed. By the way, this 40 cents is a quite long-term support, and we are about to test this support with the support, this uptrend line support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 40 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance here for several weeks, and here as a resistance as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support. After the breakdown, the previous resistance can be now flipped into a strong support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. In fact, for the past 2 years, I have been showing you this wedge, and I've been telling you that once seller will be able to break out this wedge, then we can expect a massive pump. And so far, you can see that it has moved up to even beyond 63.7 cents. And I would also like to show you another very huge setup that Stellar has formed on the monthly time frame chart. You can see that here it has formed a very big ascending triangle, and now the pricing is once again reached the resistance of this triangle. By the way, the formation of this triangle was begin here in the month of July 2017, and now once again the pricing has reached the resistance of this ascending triangle. And I would also like to share with you a very long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. That was a very big and long-term trade signal because this move was formed on the monthly time frame chart, and so far this signal has produced more than 400% rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for CEDAS, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared a few days ago on 25th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive rally, by the way. Now, let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you this long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared with my members on 29th of May 2022. And by the way, I have been sharing this trade setup in my different videos as well. And that was a very big harmonic bullish reverse guard pattern that Stellar formed on the monthly time frame chart. And you can see when I shared this signal at that time, it was moving at 12.7 cents. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very massive reversal from this buying zone. And here it has reached the sell target zone approximately up to 63.7 cents. So far, it has pumped almost more than 400%. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Stellar. First of all, let me to show you the 2-hour time frame chart. And here, I'm expecting that here it will soon confirm another formation of this rising wedge pattern. Like previously, it formed this rising wedge pattern. Now it can form another rising wedge pattern. By the way, this is, if it will be confirmed, it will be eventually another bearish bias move, because rising wedge pattern is considered as a bearish bias. And for example, if this time the price and breaks it down, then it can drop down here at the bottom of the wedge. Like previously, I was telling you that the target for the breakdown is here at the bottom of the wedge at 40 cents. This time, target will be here approximately at 35 cents, because that will be the bottom of this wedge. And this time you can see that after getting rejected by the resistance, the price then is about to hit the support. By the way, this is the expected support. So far, this support is not confirmed. We have only 2 touch points here. Once we will have another bounce from this support, as you can see that we also have a quite long-term support of 40 cents at the same level. Therefore, I'm expecting a bounce. then the support of this rising wedge pattern, and the pattern will be also confirmed. And for example, if the price line breaks out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, in case of breaking out, the target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at 57.8 cents. Now let's take a look at the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout for the past several months, it has been moving inside this up channel. And this channel, the resistance of the channel was the reason that the price line was not able to continue the rally to the upside. You can see that we got so many rejections here by this uptrend line resistance. Here, despite this long spike, the price line could not break it out. Then we had another rejection here. And finally, we have broken out the resistance. Then we had a very, very nice pump. And I have been telling you in my so many previous videos that technical target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 80 cents to $1. And you can see that now we are about to hit that target finally. Now let's take a look at the bigger time frame on the monthly time frame chart. And here we have the formation of a very, very huge ascending triangle. This resistance is not completely horizontal. It is moving slightly to the downside. However, you can see that we have rejection here, and two more rejections here as well. And here we had a bounce, another bounce, and here we had so many touch points. Then we had another bounce, and now the movement is quite squeezed inside this ascending triangle. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can break this triangle. For example, if the price breaks down this support of 40 cents, then it can test the next support over here. That is, by the way, a complete support zone from 27 to 25 cents. That will be more visible on the weekly time frame chart. You can see that this support zone from 27 to 25 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance zone, support zone, and support zone here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong support zone. And for example, if the price breaks it down again, this support of 25 cents, then it can drop down here at the support of this triangle, approximately at 11 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the triangle, the technical target for the breakout from this triangle, that will be a quite long-term target, by the way. And that target can be approximately at $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.